The country gears up to celebrate Diwali, but COVID-19 has played serious spoilsport. As we are in the thick of this pandemic here, the government has now decided to control pollution levels. Expert reports directly links rising pollution levels to a rise in COVID-19 cases. And that's why the National Green Tribunal has cracked a whip. Starting with Delhi, the NGT has now ordered a complete ban on sale and use of firecrackers in Delhi NCR region until the 30th of November. And they plan to review this order only at the end of this month. The NGT swung into action after Delhi reported pollution at severe levels, turning the city quite literally into a gas chamber. However, in other parts of the country there, the NGT has proposed for states to impose a ban on firecrackers depending on their air quality. Now, green crackers are allowed in cities where the air quality index was below moderate last year, and those areas where air quality is good, crackers can be burst and sold only between the prescribed 2-hour window. Now in Mumbai, no firecrackers are allowed in public and private places. Only soundless crackers like the Phuljadi, Anar or the sparklers are allowed, but within private societies on the day of Diwali. Hotels and other commercial establishments have also been asked not to conduct any fireworks shows there. Then in Karnataka, Bengaluru, sale and purchase of only green crackers are allowed. In Tamil Nadu, Chennai, the government has fixed a time slot to burst firecrackers. Just like last year, this year too, crackers can be burst between morning 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. and evening 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. on the day of Diwali. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, on the other hand, have not changed any rules as yet. They haven't yet addressed the pollution concerns, and no restrictions on firecrackers have been imposed as yet. In West Bengal, on the other hand, Kolkata, a complete ban on firecrackers have been imposed. Rajasthan has called for a complete ban on firecrackers and have also threatened to fine those violators as well. In Haryana, firecrackers are allowed on the day of Diwali and Guru Purab from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. again the 2-hour window, while on Christmas and New Year's Eve, bursting of crackers are allowed from 11:55 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. Punjab, Odisha and Sikkim, on the other hand, have completely ordered a ban on firecrackers. Now, to give you a quick glimpse into how dangerously polluting some of these firecrackers could be, the snake crackers, it's like almost smoking 464 cigarettes. And then you have the string of 1,000-odd crackers. That is like smoking about 277 cigarettes. The pulpul is like smoking 208 cigarettes. The Phuljadi is like smoking 74 cigarettes. The chakri is like smoking 68 cigarettes. Anar is like smoking 34 cigarettes. Not to scare you away, but this is indeed a study that was conducted by the Chest Research Foundation and Pune University back in 2016. It's still relevant. Here's also a quick look into why firecrackers can kill. Sulfur dioxide in these crackers causes wheezing and shortness of breath. Cadmium in crackers causes anemia, damages the kidney and affects nervous system. The copper in firecrackers irritates the respiratory tract. The nitrate causes skin and eye irritation and breathing problems as well in kids. Carbon dioxide and monoxide can cause asthma and bronchitis. Now, the most vulnerable people, of course, are pregnant women and children, asthma patients, those with respiratory and nervous system disorders, those with congestion of nose, throat and chest, people with eye-related problems, high blood pressure, sleep disturbance, headache and restlessness, and those with also temporary permanent hearing loss. Now, why are green crackers preferred in some places? Here's why. They result in 30% less PM 2.5 emissions, 50% less sulfur dioxide emissions. They are small shell-sized compared to traditional crackers there, and they don't contain lithium, arsenic, barium and lead. They're also developed by expert scientists from CSIR and NWERI. Now that you know the facts, go right ahead and enjoy your Diwali celebrations. But since we're amidst a pandemic, it's better to be safe than sorry.